Hello guys, Waduupp? Good day, this is Jhonashow and welcome to Jhonashow. So it's our first episode of the year. Itong mga video last year, kaya nakurap man. Salamat Jay. So anyway, we're here at Catmon. A quick ride, a quick weekend here at Balay Besabella. So actually morning lugar mo gituan before, then na-develop na siya. Ano siya? Sa new parking area. So, shout out Balay Besabella. So, ano siya? Big ride here. So, this is the entrance. And hi guys, yeah, it's evening. So, hapon namin. Naman may luto. May dad cooking. Oh, kasi hamos siya kung naman kaya nagluto ko ganyan ba. Kaya puro man may amo. So, napay masamo na mo. To we're here at Balay Besabella. Check out the resort. Here at Catmon. It's a new place that you can check out. So, anyways, look again, now it's like kitchen. Like a juki. And dire among center sa among kanan. Yeah. So later ay magkuhan may mag-bonfire. Bonfire may pero ang uwas ako kahoy. Kanay mga laya sa liyo ha. Na may nanod. May ang food man. Ayun ang dagat. Tama yan. Nara. Ha man ang baso ni. Baso. Ang importante nga part sa life kanak lagi mga. Abog ka ganyan agad. Oh, satsa. We shot this tonight. In this beer, we'll take our pride to the nation. Oh, ayaw makaw. Okay. So what up guys, we're here at our room, room. This is where we have your own CR, we don't bidit, shower, and then a queen size bed, good for 10. So, just that ambience. So same room, the other side. So actually they have 4 rooms there, so nagkuhan 4 lang room, and then in front of our room, swimming pool, Kana pang Instagram reels kaya ba? IG reels. Wake up this morning. More this year. Kinay dagat. Same room. 4. So actually, this is a new place that everybody can check. Paano naman yung ideal for team building, any party, mga bunyag, mga birthday. So, mas especially fun, team building, okay ganyan nga lugar. So, cool. Yung dagat. So, nindot silang dagat, kaya na kantil. Then, may mga dagang isda. So, ano na yun. Aslay on video case. Kaya na video case. Ano na, nagari. Okay ka. Okay ka, video ka. Pero, as per municipal law, ang video kay SG isra kay natuog na silingan.
2.
Oh, mugaw na gid
5.
Hanggang sa dulo ng hanggan. Atay play. Oh, lahi. Kalingog-ngog Valentina na mata, makamata masang natugan na. Pero mo na dire. Like ano, pinapinala man na pina-concert ko nung ikanta ni ba? Wala. Sa bonfire. Uy, bubukan din. Bonfire. Pero wala may inang buhat kung mag-inom dyan. Wala nagpabugnaw ah. Naana ka din. So ano? Night here at Balay Besabella. Sige na. Piti! Sige, buntag! Piti! Isa rin lang.
Ay, muot kayo.
Oh, ay paghabol! Rocha!
Hari lang ka. Iskot! Basa lang.
Hey, good morning! So, mag-breakfast sa Budda. So, we have our breakfast right here. Balay Besabella. So, itlog with egg. And fried rice with garlic. And, syempre, painit. So, anyway, activities sa diri sa Balay Besabella is like, swimming pool, videoke, you have free videoke, free diving or dagat na highly recommended sa din silang dagat kay na I can't tell sa unahan ba. I can tell. Hindi sa dito. Nay, niya to mi. Nay, may gamay swimming pool sa ilaw sa dagat. Nay. And yes, that's it guys. Thank you so much Balay Besabella for the time and for accepting us here. Hindi nila lugar men. Nasa like cottages. Anyway, they accept any events, birthday, bunyag, team building, anything. I highly suggest check their Facebook page, Balay Besabella Boutique. They accept walk-ins if ever nga walay ka ng nakabook, then definitely they accept walk-ins by data entrance. So check their Facebook page for the updates, mga bookings. Kawa raw? Idagat. Mga cottage. Ang high tide, taas kay high tide rin. Kung taas ang high tide, babot ito rin. See? Thank you so much guys. Salamat sa support. So we're here at Balay Besabella. So check lang ninyo. You can enjoy. Picture thinking.